Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update navigation menus for accessibility and clarity. Beginner guides. Updating navigation menus for accessibility and clarity is crucial for an inclusive user experience. Start by evaluating your current menu structure. Identify any items that may be unclear or confusing. Check for items that use jargon or complicated terms. Replace these with plain language that is easy to understand. Ensure that all menu items are clearly labeled. Group related items together to help users find what they need quickly. Consider the order of menu items. Place the most important items at the top or in a prominent position. Use descriptive text that reflects the content of the linked pages. Next, check for text visibility and contrast. Ensure that menu text is legible against its background. Adjust font sizes and styles for better readability. Utilize accessible color palettes that are friendly for colorblind users. Now focus on keyboard navigation. Make sure users can access all menu items using only a keyboard. Test the navigation flow to confirm it's intuitive. Implement ARIA, Accessible Rich Internet Applications, roles and properties. These help assistive technologies interpret your menu correctly. Add clear and concise alt text for any icons used in the menu. This also promotes clarity for screen reader users. It's essential to test your updated menu with real users. Gather feedback from people with varying accessibility needs. Make necessary adjustments based on their input. Finally, document your navigation updates. This will help your team maintain consistent accessibility practices in the future. Consider periodic reviews of your navigation menu. This ensures it meets evolving accessibility standards. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.